This is my Saab 9 and it's not in the best conditions at the moment. This will be a short video just to explain what's wrong and everything that needs fixing on it. So as you can see, it's missing quite a lot of panels on the front. The car was actually in an accident a couple of years ago and became a Cat N write-off. So it was just basically body panels that got damaged. So let's start straight away with what's missing. So we have missing front bumper, headlights gone, wing is gone, and the arch liner is gone. They're just moved from the car, so I can take off the wing. That is getting replaced with a panel that's actually the same colour. All the panels I've bought are actually the same colour, which will make life a lot easier and a lot quicker and cheaper. So we have that missing. We also have the arch liner missing. Now that was damaged from the accident as well. It had a big hole in it and it needed to be fixed. This is the wing that I've already replaced a couple of months ago. It was rusting, so that's all been fixed. You can see down the side it's missing a side skirt that was damaged and cracked from the accident. Same on the other side. So we also have new doors coming. They were rusting and discolouring. As you can see there, they're not in the best condition. They need changing. Down the side, all the sills are really, really good, all solid, absolutely no issues. They are going to get a bit of a under sealing on the inside just because the car is solid, and right now that would be a really good idea just to protect the car. So one of the jobs that really need doing is the roof. It actually does leak in really, really bad weather. For some reason, the guy who repaired the car before I got my hands back on it, which I'll explain in another story, decided to change the perfectly good working roof, which was black, to this blue roof. Now, I actually really like the blue roof, but he seems to have bought one in much worse condition when the roof was absolutely perfect and could have just been dyed. I really don't know why. And actually, there's actually a lot of things he did which are really, really stupid. That will be a video on its own. So yeah, really, all it needs is body work. It needs a good service, which I'm going to do whenever I get the time to. But yeah, that's really all there is wrong with it. So yeah, this is a good time to say thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you again next time.